If you're seeing the X or Twitter action response error 64, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you what it means and how to fix it step by step. This error usually means your account is suspended, temporarily locked, or restricted from using a feature through an app, bot, or developer tool. The good news is that in many cases, you can figure out the cause and take the right next step without wasting time guessing. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. First, let's understand what error 64 actually means. In simple terms, X is telling you that the account you're trying to use is not allowed to access that feature right now. That can happen if the account has a suspension, a lock, a security challenge, or if a third-party app is using an old or invalid token. So the first thing you want to do is check the account directly on the X website, not inside the app or tool that's showing the error. Open a desktop browser like Chrome or Edge and go to the official website. Log in with the exact account that is giving you the error. Once you're signed in, look carefully for any banners, warnings, or pop-ups. You might see that your account is permanently suspended, temporarily locked, or required to complete a security challenge like a captcha. If you see a restriction message here, then the problem is with the account status itself, not just the app you were using. If the account looks normal on the website, but your bot, script, or third-party tool still gives error 64, the next thing to do is clear any local browser or API cache. Sometimes the login token or cookies are outdated and the tool is reading an old permission state. To fix that, on Windows press Ctrl, Shift and Delete together. On Mac, press Command, Shift and Delete together. Then clear cookies and cached images and files. After that, go back to the third-party app or automation tool, log out completely, revoke its access if needed, and sign in again so it can generate a fresh token. This step is especially important if you're using any scheduler, automation app, browser extension, or custom API integration. A stale token can keep triggering the same error even when your account is actually fine. So if you've already confirmed the account is active, resetting access is one of the fastest ways to rule out a token issue. Now, if your account really is suspended and you cannot unlock it through the normal verification flow, you need to submit an appeal. Go to the X Help Center and look for the Account Access Appeal form. Fill it out carefully and explain the issue clearly. If you believe the suspension happened by mistake, or if a buggy API loop caused the restriction, say that in a simple and respectful way. The more clearly you explain what happened, the easier it is for support to review your case. After submitting the appeal, keep an eye on your inbox for a confirmation or resolution email. Sometimes the response takes time, so be patient and check both your primary inbox and spam folder. If X approves the appeal, your account should eventually be restored. But there is one more issue that can happen, and this is where a lot of people get stuck. Sometimes an account is officially unsuspended, but it still acts restricted inside the app or API. This is often a read-only or stuck state bug. If that happens, open your email client and send a new message to androidsupport@x.com. Use the subject line, account unsuspended but still restricted /error 64. In the message, include your username, explain that you received an official unsuspension email, but that the account still shows as blocked in the web portal or API, and attach a screenshot of the confirmation email if you have one. This gives support the details they need to look into the sync issue. At this point, you should have covered the most common causes of error, so account suspension, temporary lock, outdated cookies, expired tokens, or a stuck restricted state. If the account is locked, solve the account issue first. If the account is fine, refresh the access tokens and clear cache. And if X says you're reinstated but the error still remains, contact support about the loop bug so they can investigate further. If this video helped you fix the X action response error 64, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.